everyone, I'm Tara. This is my 2011 BMW M3 hardtop convertible. Today I'm going to be restoring my headlights. Now they're not actually that dirty, but I've never cleaned them before, so I want to try this Meguiar's heavy-duty headlight restoration kit. All I need is my own drill and everything else comes in the box.
In the kit you get the polish, headlight coating, applicator pads, finishing discs, and the buffing pad that gets attached to your drill. This is what the headlights look like before, and my car's actually been recently washed too. First use glass cleaner and just wipe off any dirt. Use masking tape and tape around the headlights to make sure that you don't damage any paint. Attach the 100 grit finishing disc to the hand pad. It just sticks on like that. Never seen it before, so I thought it was kind of cool. The finishing disc should always be wet, so just dunk it in water, and then you want to sand in a side-to-side motion. It should look all frosted when you're done. Then use a microfiber towel and wipe it really well. Now just peel off the 1000 grit finishing disc and then attach the 3000 grit finishing disc. Again, you're going to make sure the finishing disc is wet, and then this time you're going to sand in an up and down motion. When it's evenly frosted, wipe it again with a microfiber cloth. Pour a nickel-sized amount of the plastics polish to the buffing pad, and then buff your headlight. When you're done, wipe it all off right away using a microfiber cloth. When it's really clean, pour on the coating onto the edge of the applicator pad. Then apply it in long strokes. I thought this last step really made a difference. Okay, this side is finished. And then I do the exact same thing on the other side.
I'm done both sides. They look pretty clean, not brand new, but as good as can be, I think. It wasn't very hard, it didn't take long, so I do recommend that kit. Thanks for watching.